Unraveling the science behind fragrance creation. Unraveling the science behind fragrance creation. Fragrances have an extraordinary ability to evoke emotion, capture memories, and transport us to different places and times. Whether it's the smell of freshly cut grass on a summer day or the scent of a loved one's perfume, fragrances have a unique power to captivate our senses. But have you ever wondered about the science behind fragrance creation? How do perfumers blend different notes to create a harmonious composition that resonates with our olfactory senses? In this article, we will explore the fascinating world of fragrance creation and understand the intricate science behind it. The art of perfumery dates back thousands of years, with the ancient Egyptians being some of the earliest known perfume enthusiasts. However, it wasn't until the 19th century that chemistry came into the picture, revolutionizing the fragrance industry. Today, fragrance creation is a delicate balance between artistic expression and scientific principles. The first step in fragrance creation is understanding the raw materials. A perfumer must have a deep knowledge of various natural and synthetic ingredients, each with its unique aromatic profile. The natural ingredients are obtained from flowers, fruits, woods, and other botanical sources, while synthetic ingredients are created in a laboratory. Once the raw materials are understood, the process of fragrance creation involves blending different notes to achieve a desired scent. Fragrances are typically composed of three main notes: top, mid, and base notes. These notes have different evaporation rates, which determine how the fragrance unfolds over time. The top notes are the initial scents that are sensed upon application, and they tend to be fresh and lively. Citrus, such as bergamot and lemon, are often used as top notes for their bright and uplift in qualities. Other examples include herbs like lavender or aromatic spices. These top notes are what you smell first when you spray a fragrance, but they quickly evaporate, making way for the heart or middle notes. The middle notes are the heart of the fragrance and develop after the top notes have dissipated. They contribute to the overall character and theme of the perfume. Middle notes can include florals, NTS like rose, jasmine, or ylang-ylang, which add depth and complexity. Additionally, fruity or spicy notes can also be used at this stage to enhance the fragrance's personality. Finally, we have the base notes, which are the foundation of the fragrance. These notes are rich, deep, and long-lasting, and they provide stability and support to the overall composition. Common base notes include musk, amber, vanilla, and woody accords such as sandalwood or cedarwood. These base notes have a slow evaporation rate, creating a lasting impression as the scent lingers on the skin. Blending the different notes to create a balanced and harmonious fragrance is an intricate process that requires both skill and creativity. Perfumers leverage their knowledge of the ingredients' chemical properties to create olfactory symphonies. They carefully consider factors like volatility, molecular structures, and compatibility to achieve the desired scent. In addition to the notes, perfumers must also consider the concept or inspiration behind their creations. Fragrance development often starts with a brief or a mood board that captures the essence of the desired scent. This brief acts as a guiding light for the perfumers, helping them translate abstract ideas into tangible fragrances. Once a fragrance composition is developed, it undergoes rigorous testing and evaluation. These evaluations play a crucial role in the fine-tuning and finalization of the fragrance. As the fragrance industry evolves, sustainability and eco-consciousness have become paramount. Perfumers are now exploring more sustainable alternatives to traditional ingredients. For example, synthetic versions of certain animal-derived musks are used to avoid harming animals. Additionally, advancements in biotechnology have allowed for the creation of synthetic versions of natural ingredients, reducing the environmental impact of fragrance production. The science behind fragrance creation goes beyond the blending of notes. It also delves into the chemistry that occurs on our skin when a fragrance is applied. The interaction between fragrance molecules in our skin's chemistry can alter the scent, making it unique to each individual. This is why the same fragrance can smell different on different people. Unraveling the science behind fragrance creation, continued. Fragrances are not only a sensory experience but also a form of self-expression. The science behind fragrance creation involves not only the blending of different notes but also the understanding of how these notes interact with our skin's chemistry. When applied to our skin, fragrances undergo a chemical reaction that can alter their scent, making it unique to each person. Our skin's pH level, natural oils, and other factors can influence how a fragrance develops on our skin. This is why the same fragrance can smell different on different individuals. The science of fragrance creation takes into account these skin chemistry variations, ensuring that the scent remains pleasant and appealing. Perfumers also consider the volatility and molecular structures of the ingredients when creating a fragrance. Some ingredients may evaporate quickly, while others may linger for longer periods. By understanding these properties, perfumers can create compositions that have the desired longevity and sillage. Furthermore, perfumers are not limited to natural ingredients but also have access to a wide range of synthetic alternatives. These synthetic ingredients are often created in laboratories using advanced techniques. Synthetic versions of certain animal-derived musks, for example, are used to avoid harming animals. Synthetic ingredients also offer consistency and stability to fragrances, making an essential part of the perfumer's toolkit. The concept or inspiration behind a fragrance plays a crucial role in its creation. Perfumers often start with a brief or a mood board that captures the desired scent's essence. This brief acts as a guide, helping perfumers translate abstract ideas into tangible fragrances. It helps shape the overall character, theme, and emotional impact of the fragrance. Once a fragrance composition is developed, it undergoes rigorous testing and evaluation. Perfumers work closely with experienced evaluators known as noses. These professionals assess the fragrance for qualities such as longevity, sillage, and overall appeal. Their expert opinions greatly influence the fine-tuning and finalization of the fragrance. As the fragrance industry continues to evolve, sustainability and eco-consciousness have become vital considerations. Perfumers are exploring alternative ingredients and techniques that have a reduced environmental impact. For instance, advancements in biotechnology have allowed the creation of synthetic versions of natural ingredients, decreasing the need for extensive farming or harvesting. Moreover, packaging and production processes are also being re-evaluated to minimize waste and promote sustainability. Many fragrance brands are adopting eco-friendly materials and supporting initiatives that aim to reduce their carbon footprint. The science behind fragrance creation is a fascinating and intricate process that requires skill, knowledge, and creativity. Perfumers blend different notes, understanding their evaporation rates and how they interact with each other to create a harmonious composition. They consider factors like volatility, molecular structures, and compatibility to achieve the desired scent. Fragrances are composed of top, middle, and base notes that unfold over time, creating a multi-dimensional experience. The concept or inspiration behind a fragrance also plays a crucial role in its development. Sustainability and eco-consciousness have become important considerations in the fragrance industry, leading to the exploration of alternative ingredients and packaging materials. Through rigorous testing and evaluation, fragrances are fine-tuned and finalized, ensuring their longevity, sillage, and overall appeal. The science of fragrance creation also extends to the interaction between fragrance molecules and our skin's chemistry, making each scent unique to each individual. Fragrances have the power to evoke emotions, create memories, and transport us to different places. So the next time you enjoy your favorite fragrance, take a moment to appreciate the art and science that goes into its creation. The science behind fragrance creation is a captivating blend of artistry and scientific principles. Perfumers harness their knowledge of raw materials, notes, and chemical properties to create captivating compositions that resonate with our senses. As the fragrance industry continues to evolve, the emphasis on sustainability and eco-consciousness ensures that the science of fragrance creation aligns with our changing world. So the next time you spritz on your favorite scent, take a moment to appreciate the intricate science behind the fragrance that adorns your skin. Fragrances are not only a sensory experience but also a form of self-expression. The science behind fragrance creation involves not only the blending of different notes but also the understanding of how these notes interact with our skin's chemistry. When applied to our skin, fragrances undergo a chemical reaction that can alter their scent, making it unique to each person. Our skin's pH level, natural oils, and other factors can influence how a fragrance develops on our skin. This is why the same fragrance can smell different on different individuals. The science of fragrance creation takes into account these skin chemistry variations, ensuring that the scent remains pleasant and appealing.